Okay, we'll pull up. Well, let's see here. Pull up the scan we just did. He-Man. Import it. It might take a while. It's kind of got a lot of polygons. There he is. All right. And as you can see, there's a lot of. It's not the cleanest scan. Now, you guys looking at it on a 2D screen, it doesn't look like right now this thing fills the room. Like He-Man fills the room. It's pretty nuts. Anyway, let's take care of some of these problems here. We'll do use the smooth tool, and it will take care. I don't know if you can see it, how well you can see it in 2D, but here we are. We'll just take care of those weird shapes. It looks like it's opening up some polygons too, but we'll take care of that here in a minute. Yeah, it's definitely opening up. Look how nice that cleans up. And we have some hand issues. We'll fix that. A little bit under there. Turn the strength down a little. We don't want to mess with his facial features too much. Lose that definition. A little bit of weirdness there. Looks like really where there were joints. Top of the head a little bit. We'll fix that. Get those buns. Little inner thigh area. Just clean up the little anomalies. That stuff. It's not too bad. We'll straighten that out too after the fact. It's not too bad. All right. Okay. All right, let's close these holes. There they are, all closed up. Look at that. Now, if let's do some pulling. I can't remember full up. There we go. Yeah, we don't fall off. What's our wireframe look like? Yeah, okay. So let's smooth that out. And that will bring up our polygon count. See that? Each of these fingers. Then we'll kind of decimate the number of polygons after the fact. This is really high. And we're heading like millions. Okay. All right, that worked. Now let's pull. Let's smooth this a little. Okay, that's all right. Let's smooth it out. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I fall up too high. So it's so sharp looking. Oops. And give ourselves some knuckles. Okay. Oops. About that pinky little. Guess maybe that's too much. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, great, but whatever. It's not bad. All right, so we have our He-Man. Let's give him a material. Can make him kind of skin. A little shiny. What do we got here? Oh, there we go. That's better. Now we can see. Dang, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, that's kind of neat. Ceramic. Okay. So let's get a little crazy here. Yeah, that's important. Let's see here. How big is that? 6 meg. Okay. Let's import that. There we are. Oops. There we go. That's how we do it. Okay. Let's fix this face because it's horribly. It's in desperate need of repair. There we go. Let's clean up those edges. Okay. Let's do a little crease. I'll do pinch. I find the eye lines a little bit. Oop. Okay, smooth. Just a little though. Okay. Build up a little clay, or a little bit of fall off. There it is, size. Okay. Bring my eyebrows back. There we go. That's not my eyebrows. Oop. It's not bad. Okay, fix that eye. A little bit of weirdness there. Alright, I'm spending way too much time on this. Okay. Okay. Alright, so sorry, He-Man, but your face. Let's get that. Let's move that out of the way. I'm gonna make room for my face. Oops. Oh, yeah. You. Oop, okay. Here we go. Probably a little bit of that chin, too. We'll see where that puts us. Okay. This is ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. All right. Material. Let's make us the same. Here we go. Okay. This is so stupid. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Oh boy. Okay, this is really silly. Okay, let's combine these and call it a day. Oh my gosh. Layers. Oh, that's not dividing by layers yet. It's here we are. Alright, you and you. So select. Okay, there we go, select all. And then we should be able to, what is that, Boolean? Union, I believe this. Join keeps them separated, union. It's different math. Okay, here we are. A, we size A, B, union. A, B. Okay, yeah, that's right. And then we union. Boom, alright, there we go. Holy crap, that's a lot easier than I thought. Alright, now we're just gonna fix this stuff. Let's get the seams worked out. Oh, you know what, I should play with that a little bit better, but that's right. There we go, move it a little bit. There we are. Not that much. Okay. Nope, that's weird. There we go. Anyway, I think we'll do it this way. Smooth that out and we'll move it and pull it out. This next is huge and mine's not that large. Okay. Okay, look at that. By the power of Grayskull. Alright, so let's call this guy. Oh, you know what? Materials, sort of skin. Here we are. Let's paint away. See, that's kind of like brown boots. Okay, oops, paint. Here we are. Oh, you know what? We need to fix this feet too. They're not. Oops, get some lines lower. Oh, yep. So we'll know it's right there. Okay, good enough. Let's do his kind of yellow hair. There's a little orange in that. Okay, reference images, I just use the eyedropper, pull that color from there. Yeah, this is still a little too light. Yeah, there we go. That's better. You know what? There we go. Do. Oh, there it is. Keep trying to make it larger. Makes it a lot easier. Yeah, brushing. That's right. It's good. It's fine. It's all fine. It's a little shaky. Yeah, whatever. It's good enough. He-Man. He-Mat. Oof. That's freaking creepy. I don't like it. All right. Let's see. We'll bring in L. We'll turn her into her Christmas ornament. Freaking cool. All right. But anyway, this mesh has got a lot of problems with it. As you can see, we're missing an ankle. Some of the details in the t-shirt were not captured. Did a pretty, oh yeah, we were missing part of the neck. It looks completely detached, in fact. Anyway, we're going to fix all that. All right, let's start. Use stamps to get the neck going, at least rough shape, rough parts. Bring that in about like so. Buff that a little. We'll smooth that out later. Okay. That's a little better. Maybe not any hair back here. So get all that taken care of also. Okay. That's basic. Need an ankle. Let's see here. That's how we do it scale. Okay. Here we go. How are we? Okay, yeah, let's bring this back. Here we are. Kind of ankle shape. Oh, we're missing a shoe. Okay, not there. Dig again. Okay, that's not bad. Let's use some clay. Okay. Can you build up the shoe here? Okay. Oops, strength. What are the settings on this tool? Here we are. And ankle, we'll clone those two. Alright, let's fix all this stuff, and then we'll clone that. There's a little bit of nastiness in here. Let's fix that. Oops. Oops. Okay. This is what everything looks like. Some definition. Okay, I think I fixed it so. We'll just turn these down. Okay. Make those holes. There we go. It's so old. There's some weird anomalies with this stuff. It's not bad. Okay. Fix that. That's much better. Much better. I guess my kid's thumb is really that long. Okay. You know what? I'm pretty satisfied. I don't think that's too shabby. I'm gonna push that a little. Get that headline rejoined there. There we go. Nice. Oops. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, maybe some other foot. Alright, let's get rid of that. Select. Where's that? Not that. How do we delete? Mask? Gotta be masking tool. Let's see. Masking tool. Where's my tools? Where's my tool? Here we go. Masking. There it is. Sweet. Okay, and invert. Delete. Boom. Yes, sir. That's cool. Man, I love this program. Oh, I just saw something now. Pinch. I do like the pinch tool a lot. So you find that wrist. Oops. Yeah, that's slick. Gotta bring the sleeve right back. Oops. Gotta get the light straight though. Okay, now let's duplicate this shoe. An angle. Go right up to the old wheelio. Oops. Alright, I think I got it all. Okay. Oh, cool. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do this. I think we need the combination tool, boolean, clone. Actually, how do we fill that hole? Oh. Mask. Okay. And move. Oops. You and okay, we're set. Let's oh wait, these are my coordinates. So let's find a donut shape. Stamp shape donut. Alright, let's change some stuff. Here we go. Alright. Alright. Finn's gonna love this. Yeah. Okay. Let's fix it a little. Okay, I'm gonna call that done. Oh, I forgot to see the other hands. And we can fill the holes at the very end here too.